Hello. We wanted to talk to you a little bit about the fact fluency cards that grade 1 and 2 teachers will be receiving this year. Last year, for those of you that use them, you noticed that this was a stack that was for grades 1 and 2 teachers. The difference this year is that grade 1 teachers are going to have their own stack and grade 2 teachers are going to have their own stack as well. This is to ensure that we only are practicing facts that are within our grade level fluency standard. So let's dive into one of them. So on each page that you will be receiving in your packet, there's going to be 4 separate cards. So in order to start working on these, and this will be a second grade card that I'm practicing right now with you, you're going to cut along the solid line so that the strategy is in the middle and you have 5 add-ins on each side. In order to make this card, you see the dotted line, you're going to be cutting along that until the line has stopped so that these now become little tabs on each side. For the sake of this video, I'm just going to cut one side, but you would obviously continue this on the other side of the card as well. So the fact fluency or strategy that we're working on is plus 10. So I'm going to use 5 and I'm going to add 10, so 10 plus 5 is 15, and students can then fold over their tab and the number 15 is there for them. What's nice is they can go down the side. You can then assess them and you can just point to a tab and you can see how well they're doing. When you flip it over, it's the reverse. So we had plus 10 on one side and now we have minus 10. So 15 minus 10 is 5 and still within the fluency standard of second grade. What's nice about these cards is that students will only be working on one card at a time. So please make sure that students are not getting the entire stack of cards. They're only getting one card and one strategy to work on. So in grade 1, it's really important to ensure that students are only, or the whole class is working on the same strategy. In October, grades 1 and 2 teachers will be receiving a podcast that will share with them how to utilize these cards in fact fluency folders, if that's something that you want to do and utilize during homework, or encourage parents to work with their students at home or children at home. And you're also going to have an opportunity to play games with these as well. But to start our year, we wanted every teacher today to walk away with a class set of their fact fluency cards, which you will be receiving a class set of them. These have been separated based upon what each student will be working on for the year by a solid color piece of paper. So as soon as you see that paper, this whole stack will be one student. So what teachers have done in the past is that they've made fact fluency folders and kept it in their file folder drawer. So when their students are working on one of the cards, the other cards are in their little folder. So let me practice one more with you. This one is already half cut. The strategy is make 10. So remember, you're going to cut along the solid line. Each side has 5 facts, so therefore students on one card, they're practicing 10 different facts, which is really efficient and extremely supportive of what we want kids to be able to do. Nice, quick, and easy practice. So if I'm making 10, or make a 10, so if I have 6, the students are able to say, okay, how many more to make a 10? I know it's 4. I flip it over and then I see and I can check. Obviously students will be working with these face down or flat down so that way they can't see the back. Every fact that students work on has the reverse fact on the back as well. So it's normally plus and then minus. Obviously make 10 can be both, because you make a 10 or you make a 10, it does not matter which way you look at it. So just to recap, last year grade 1 and 2 teachers, they received their one whole stack, but this year grade 1 teachers will have a stack and grade 2 teachers. So ensure that you have the correct grade level on your stack. Thank you so much. Enjoy.